Hi everyone, wanted to let you know that I finished my ball peen hammer off camera. I got the ball bearing seated in here in the hammer, so now I have a straightening hammer, and it was all thanks to these carbide burrs. These things were a lifesaver. They really ate through the metal and got the chamber for the ball bearing all routed out, and I was able to seat it mechanically, and it's not coming out. So despite the burns and discoloration, this little thing is going to be a handy little tool. I already tested it, as you may have been able to see on one of my shorts. And here's the knife. You can see all the little dents from the straightening hammer. I'm going to try and sand all that out, and we'll see how that goes. Coming up in a future video, I'm going to reveal what's in this brown paper bag and do a little mini restoration video for you. I'm pretty excited because they're not super special, but they kind of have a little bit of memory for me. And then this is still on tap. It's going to be a fishing knife for a buddy. Kind of came up with this design based off of another design, and it might change, but yeah, that's what's coming up. And also, my next big step, I brought out the old camera. It's a Nikon D750, so it's going to be starting to film here pretty soon. Hopefully I'll have some new angles, a couple of dual camera action going on, and it should be pretty good. It captures in 1080p, which is what I've been filming on my phone, and we'll just see how that works. Anyway, have a great day, guys.